Hi, as some of you are busy complaining that this government is doing nothing for the common mwananchi, there is several number of people who are spending sleepless nights watching our videos and making sure such beautiful units will never be in the market. But there is some hope for you guys. This developer is doing similar units just a few meters from the road, and those will be going for 15.8 million Kenya shillings. This estate was going for 15.5, and because you missed all of it, I'll just give you a tour to give you an overview of how the new estate will look like. Come with me. Each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 80 lot of land, and each unit has a plinth area of 240 square meters. As I mentioned, the new project will be costing 15.8 million Kenya shillings, and as you can see from there, everything is very beautiful. I love it that right now we are shooting at the sunset, and I can't wait to show you the interior of this show house because it is giving me goosebumps. On this far end, you have your green spaces, and that's where you can do your gazebo if you don't like the gazebo that is on the roof deck. This is the main entrance, and it is very beautiful. I like how the developer improved the beauty by these flower vases. This is a 4-car parking. You can do a car shed on that end, and on this side you have your swing chair. For the 17 of you who do not understand what beauty is, this is exactly what we mean. And for the people who keep telling me, Mungai Kihara, my girlfriend is beautiful, that is true, a lie and a fallacy at the same time. This unit is timeless and very, very modern. From there, you can see that the developer has done very well in terms of painting this unit. You are getting a rough and tough from the front side. You are getting the frameless windows that are improving the beauty and ergonomics of this unit. And these windows are giving you a very nice reflection of the clouds on the other side. Before I take you inside, I'll make sure that you see the drones of these units at night, and you'll agree with me that this is a gem. From the entrance, you are getting a door that is 4 feet wide, and that is big enough to allow you to get all your furniture inside. Below the staircase, you have a space for your shoes. What I love about this developer is that he has provided brown Crocs for barbers, small cutie Crocs for Gen Z and Slay Queens, and you have other types for everyone at their interest and specification. This living room is very beautiful, done very well. I like it that you are getting a center light, you have some side lights, mood lights, and some recess lights. If that is not enough, during the day you will get your light from this massive window. It runs from that end to join the door on the other end. If that is not enough, you have another window on my right hand side. This living room has been done very well. An extra that you have been given by the developer is this mahogany platform that is supposed to act as the space for your electronics. The living room is opening to the dining area, and from there you can agree with me that these ceilings are not double volume. This developer is going to do 2 types of units. He is going to do a unit like this, and he is also going to do a double volume like the one attached up here. If you would want any of the above, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. Behind me, you have the dining area. The dining space is massive, done very well. I like it that it is a smooth flow from the living room, and it is big enough to fit an 8-seater dining set. The dining area gets 2 windows for maximum natural light. At this corner, you have a small vanity just to make sure that you are clean before you dig into your meals. And this window is also acting as an access to the side yard. If a space is not functional, it is even important to get rid of it. That's why this developer added a swing chair on this side, and it is very important for the kids of the person who will be living in this unit. And as a parent, you can come sit here with your sweetheart, enjoy a drink, and maybe tell each other your sweet nothings. I'll take you inside. As the dining space is opening to the kitchen, I love it that the developer has made it standard to give you a functional island. And on top of it, you can see we are getting a 4-burner cooker, and if that is not enough, you are also getting an induction cooktop at the end. This is the hood or a heat extractor, and that is supposed to take all the vapor that vaporizes from the foods that you are cooking. If there is something that makes a kitchen look very enticing, is white cabinetry. The lower and the upper cabinetry have been done very well. I like it that the developer included some drawers on that side for your cutlery and your crockery, and you have a double sink at the center just to make sure that you can easily wash and rinse your utensils. Under the sink, you have a space that has been provided for your dishwasher, and you will get a ton of light from this massive window. On the far front, you have a space that has been reserved for your refrigerator. It is big enough to fit a double door, and behind me you have the pantry of this kitchen. This is not the biggest pantry we have seen in the channel, but for 15 million it is more than enough. This door is opening to the kitchen garden area, the clothesline area, and the laundry area. The laundry area has been done very well. You have a space that is big enough for your washer and dryer, and this tap is for any other activity that you would want to do in this space. On this other side, you have another tap that can help you rinse the plants or maybe wash your dirty garments. I'll take you back inside. If you are aiming to get a 4-bedroom, you must consider 2 things: that you must have enough people to stay in the 4 bedrooms, and such wealth attracts so many friends. So you must have a space for your guests. This space under the stairs is acting as the common washroom, and it has been done very well. I like it that at the entrance you have a small wash basin and a mirror with some directional lights. The guest space is massive and done very well. I like it that you are getting a closet that is floor to ceiling. It has been partitioned very well and big enough for any clothes that your guest might have come with. I love it that you are getting a massive window. The person who did these curtains needs to be given some presents, but I know it costed $1 million to do such a beautiful job. This is the guest bathroom. It comes with a small vanity at the entrance, a WC at the center, and you have a space for your showering on the far end. This bathroom is adopting a similar concept to many bathrooms that you'll see this moment. I'll take you upstairs. From the details that you are getting on these walls, plus the glitter painting that you are getting in this unit, the lighting on the staircase, this tells you one thing: that this developer has a very good attention to detail. If there is one thing that fascinates me about this unit, is how much the developer has spent to make sure that the primary bedroom has been done spectacularly well. I'll show you that later. Right now, we are going to see the first bedroom on this level, the second bedroom, and a prayer room, which can also be used as an office or a study. This room is just a replica to the guest bedroom, but slightly bigger. I like it that the closet is floor to ceiling also. You have the bathroom on my far front, and it has been done very well. And one thing that I like is that you are getting the side lights also in the bedrooms. As much as we are using a wide angle lens, you can agree with me that this room is the tiniest. Even if it was supposed to be used as a prayer room or a study, I feel that it is tinier than recommended. But what I love about it is the massive windows that you are getting in this room, and the views on this side, the greenery and the breathtaking views. The freshness of the air is just something that would make you want to stay in that room forever. The third bedroom has been oriented differently. It is also big enough to fit a 6-seater or a queen-size bed. You are getting 3 drawers down there, spaces for the hangable clothes, and you have some spaces for the foldable clothes or your suitcases up there. The bathroom to this bedroom has been done very well. It is very long and wide with a WC at the center, a vanity at the entrance, and you have a space for your showering. You have some spaces to hang your towel and a rain shower. This massive window is just giving you an outdoor environment, and that is very important, especially when you're having a warm bath. Right now, we are in the primary bedroom, and you can agree with me that this room is a masterpiece. It has been done very well. I like the size of it. It is massive. You are getting a ton of natural light from the windows. You have a mirror here just to confirm that you are very beautiful and you have been made in the image and likeness of your creator. As you can see, you are getting some good mood lights. A side light is always a plus. The centralized is beautiful, and if that is not enough, you are also getting your mood lights for the nights that you want to show your partner your romantic side. As much as I'm in love with this room, I would love it if it is coming with a massive walk-in closet. This is a mini closet done very well. It is big enough for you and your partner, and I love it that the developer edged this space very well just to make sure that every part of this wardrobe is usable. The primary bathroom comes with a vanity with a tilting faucet. You have a WC at the center and a massive shower cubicle for you and your partner. And in the shower cubicle, you are getting a handheld, a rain shower, a ton of towel holders, and you're also getting a shaving right. That is very important. When you are a king, you must act like one. And by the time you are buying such a unit, your family should know that you are the king. That's why the developer has given you this sitting platform in your balcony just to make sure you cannot miss the sunset. Vitamin D is very important for kings. As we are heading to the roof deck, I already know some of you are asking, Mungai Kihara, you have a massive window behind you. How am I going to get a curtain for that humongous piece of a problem? Let me show you. Voila! The developer gave you the biggest blinds we have seen in a residential unit, and that is a plus. As I mentioned in the introduction, the developer has given you two spaces to create your gazebo. One can be created on the green spaces downstairs, and you have another gazebo that has been created by the developer for you as a present for purchasing a unit from him. For the people who like enjoying a drink or getting a personal space where you can think loudly, this is a very good solution, and it is a 6-seater just to make sure you can invite your friends to show your success. A fireplace is a plus, and that becomes very important in the cold nights. This unit comes with solar water heaters above the staircase. You have an additional 5,000 liters of water, and this side has been left for any other activity that you would want to do. For the people who like doing solar panels, you can add a pergola here, and on top of that, you will add your environmental friendly electricity. This roof deck has been done very well, and I like it that the developer added this solar lamp just to make sure he has minimized on the bill that you'll get from KPLC. That's all for this roof deck. Living in a gated estate gives you a sense of community and a sense of security. So if you have 15.8 million Kenya shillings, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment, and we'll give you such a unit. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one. And as always, never stop watching.